Do you prefer chicken or pizza? I prefer pizza more than chicken. I have 3 reasons to support my opinion. First, I order pizza at pizza school because pizza school have many kinds of pizza. Also, the pizza school pizza can many toppings I can choose, like cheese crust, sweet potato, and pineapple. Pizza school is more cheap than chicken. To my experience, pizza school is nearby to my house, so I go to pizza school when I want to eat pizza. Second, my favorite flavor of pizza is sweet and salty pizza. For example, Hawaiian pizza, gorgonzola pizza, because sweet and salty combo is famous. Hawaiian pizza introduced my friend. Her favorite pizza is Hawaiian pizza. So, my friends and I eat sweet and salty Hawaiian pizza. I am first of Hawaiian pizza, but it is so delicious. Lastly, pizza have lots of kinds of pizza, like sweet, salty, spicy, and sour. Also, pizza have many toppings and sauce. People can choose how they want to taste topping sauce. So I prefer pizza more than chicken. In conclusion, I prefer pizza more than chicken because there are many kinds of restaurants, many flavors, and many kinds of topping sauce. So I prefer pizza more than chicken. Thank you for listening to my presentation.